The new Blackvue DR900X features 4K ultra high definition, and with its wide angle of view, you'll be able to capture crisp, clear vision both day and night. A dashcam needs to be able to capture sharp details, and with the DR900X, small details such as number plates can be easily read. Pair your phone to the Blackvue DR900X with the app and you'll be able to view your camera's footage in an instant. In the app, you can also browse through all the footage stored on your Blackvue camera's microSD card, download the clips and share them. This model also features built-in impact and motion detection, where the camera can detect sudden changes in speed, and while parked it can detect movement. The DR900X series can be hardwired to your vehicle's fuse panel for parking mode, without requiring optional accessories. The dashcam will switch to parking mode automatically when vehicle ignition is turned off. With the optional 4G LTE module that mounts on your car's windscreen, you'll be able to access your camera from your smartphone and check on your car from anywhere, anytime. You'll also receive notifications to your phone if there has been any impact detected. This camera also features built-in GPS, so you'll be able to keep a track of where your vehicle is in relation to the footage. The experts at your local Autobarn store can fit these on-site too. For more information, check out autobarn.com.au.
Autobarn. Top Gear, low prices.